Birdie, like my hat? I know you do. But remember how I said there's always something to be discovered in here? So this is coming along kind of nicely right now. And I've been just walking around here back and forth, picking up the right size sticks for it. But then I found this walking around here. What is this? It's concrete. It has this pattern shape like a keyhole, but something else too. I just found this. Discoveries, babe. Discovering looks like a body, doesn't it? Kind of looks like a body. I'm gonna lay in it.